Guys, you guys are welcome in my YouTube channel called ecommerce, and today I'm going to show you the result of one of my store. And guys, it is very important. In the next video I'm going to show you how I made this sales, how I am generating this kind of sale. Even I'm going to show you the result on the Facebook ads and all the conversion rate. So first of all, I want to bring you on my screen and let's see the result for the today and for the last 2.5 months. So for the today, guys, you can see I have got around 8 orders and total visitor is just 83. That means my conversion rate is around 8 to 9%. And you can see the two people are visitor on the live right now. Okay, so let's come on the analytics section. Guys, you can see, okay, for the today, and let's go on the study. Let's go on the study. You can see, guys, for this yesterday I got around 11 orders, and only out of 104 session, only out of 104 customer I received 11 order. That means my conversion rate was just near to 10%. You can see, guys, my conversion rate was 9.62%. you know and let's see the result of the last 7 days. I hope you will like this video, guys. you know and let's see the result. Guys, in the last 7 days my conversion rate is more than 9.17%, guys. Out of 8 to 9 total session, that means visitors, I have received around 77 orders. And my revenue is generated 1453, that means around $1,400, guys. And my returning customer rate is 6.49%, and it has been clear so far. And let's see the result of the last 30 days. So you can see, guys, the last 30 days my revenue has crossed more than 6k, 6.5k, and total visitor only 3700, and I received around 343 order, and it has been great so far, guys. Let's see what is the result between in the last 90 days. The last 90 days. So, guys, you can see in the last 90 day my conversion rate was 8.52%, and I received total visitor that was around 6k, and out of 6k you can take 7k, it's okay, but I received 603 orders, and it is unbelievable result, guys. So I the reason of showing this result was that because in the next video I'm going to make video on the Facebook ads, I'm going to make video on the Google ads, I'm going to make video on the Shopify store, how you can make the store. And also I'm going to make many a small video or the long video on many topics, so that you guys can learn from this channel. And guys, please, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel, because you are going to learn many things in the coming days. I hope you have liked this video, guys. This is just an intro purpose, and from the next day, from the next video, you are going to see a lot of content regarding e-commerce, digital marketing. And also I'm going to teach you the graphic design related to e-commerce. I'm not going to teach you everything, so everything of the graphic, like a graphic artist. I'm going to just teach you like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, only for the purpose of e-commerce and digital marketing and all those. And also very important thing is that I'm going to make video on the SEO also, because I've got lot of questions regarding the SEO, and my lot of friends, lot of students ask me how I do SEO. So all this video will come in the next month. And I was not so free in the last 2 weeks, so I have not made any video, guys. But in the coming days you are going to see a lot of video. I hope you have liked this video. This was just a result, but in the next video you are going to see a lot of result. You are going to learn a lot of things, first of all. And please, and if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel, guys. Please subscribe the channel, because so I'll close this call right now, and let's meet you in the next video. Thank you.